This is the sound of the metal keycaps. This is the sound of a regular PBT keycaps on a keyboard. So a few weeks ago, Awekeys sent me their matte ivory white metal keycap set for me to try on. I've seen a lot of my creator friends here trying these out, so shout out to Awekeys for satisfying my curiosity. At first glance, the set comes in a quite hefty box, organized neatly on a foam tray with cutouts. And even though I got the matted set, the keycap still feels smooth without any harsh textures on the surface. I do find the stems to look wider than the regular PBT ABS keycaps, but they turn out to be on the tighter fit as I try to place them on my Switch. But anyways, let me give you guys a full sound test.